Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and we have the all-new Vivo U10 with us. This is a new series, that's the U series, and we're gonna take a look at this new smartphone today. So, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. That said, before you do anything, don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. Phone channel and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you guys get notified when we put out an awesome new video. Also, we have another Hindi channel going on as well and a lot of fun videos on that channel as well. So don't forget to subscribe to both channels and be a part of the Mr. Phone family. Now we begin with the design of the Vivo U10, and what I can tell you is that looking at other Vivo phones released in the past, this seems like it comes from the same family. There's that flat back here with a fingerprint scanner at the back. The sides are slightly curved to give you very good ergonomics. On the bottom you get a micro USB port flanked on either sides by a single speaker grill and a headphone jack with a small microphone here for noise cancellation as well. On the top there's nothing, it's simply clean at the top. On the right side of the phone you actually get the power button and the volume button, and this is actually the first Vivo phone in a long time where there's no button on the left side, so there is no dedicated Google Assistant button on this phone. Although I think looking at the price, that's not really a big compromise here. Anyway, we do not want a lot of buttons because there are just way too many accidental presses happening. At the back there is this triple camera array as well, which is decorated with this gold copper looking trim. That said, this actually looks very classy with the back of the phone. This is the electric blue color. As soon as I took it out of the box, the first thing I noticed was how good that color was. There's actually also a pattern underneath this. Now they are calling it, of course, the electric blue. I'm actually calling it the peacock blue color because there's just something about this that I like a lot, and something about this that reminds me of a peacock for some reason. Now that is for the design of the phone. Now let's move into the phone, and the first thing that we see on the front of the device is actually a display which is not full HD plus, it's an HD plus display. It's over 6 inches and it's an HD plus display. Now compared to other phones at this price range, there might be a few phones that you can get with full HD plus displays, but at the screen size that this one offers, I don't think there are many phones that you'd get with full HD plus at this price range. The display looks pretty standard. There's a small notch here. This is clearly not a full screen display, not by any stretch because of the price that it's being offered at. The chin is also respectably small. It's not the smallest that we've seen, but I think the chin is pretty damn small compared to a lot of other phones in this price. Now from that HD plus display, of course, we move into the software of the phone, and this time we have Vivo's FunTouch OS running on top of Android 9 Pie, and of course now a lot of other manufacturers are moving into Android 10. This of course hasn't moved, but Vivo will soon move to an Android 10 based thing. And what Vivo has done is that they said, we don't want you to wait for Android 10 to come out, so we just want to give you dark mode, and that's why they've already given you dark mode. This has been happening for a lot of phones, and even in this price range you'll get that dark mode. What you have to do is just go into the display tab, simply turn on dark mode. You can even schedule your dark modes if you want. So the fact that this dark mode goes through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all of these apps is of course a good thing, but then it depends on who likes what, because I don't like how WhatsApp looks in dark mode. I don't like how Facebook looks in dark mode. Instagram actually looks pretty nice. So I just want the ability to choose which apps go or do not go dark mode, and I hope Vivo implements that very soon. But as of now, you do get system-wide dark mode with the Vivo U10. Now we move to the internals of the Vivo U10, and powering this beast is a Snapdragon 665, a processor that's just become popular among phones in this price range. So you have the Realme 5 coming in with the Snapdragon 665. You also have the Mi A3 coming in with the Snapdragon 665, and you get this one with the 665 as well. Now the unit that we have is a 4GB RAM, 64GB storage version of the Vivo U10. The unit that we have comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage, and with that Snapdragon 665, I think the performance should be pretty damn good. It's clearly not the most powerful phone out there. There are other processors, even very close to this price range, where you can get slightly better processors. That said, the 665 is still a very competent processor, and unless you're someone who likes to play games all day long, this should be a very good smartphone for you. Now finally we move to that triple camera setup at the back. So you get a 13 megapixel standard camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which will of course help you take those bokeh shots with that creamy blur in the background. So with the U10 you also get a front camera that's 8 megapixels. So you get an 8 megapixel front camera. Now it's the same resolution as the back's ultra wide camera. Of course you do not get that ultra wide look, but it'll surely give you those details and colors in the selfies that Vivo is so known for. Now here are pictures that we took using the Vivo U10. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these pictures. We'll of course reserve our thoughts for the full review, which will come later. But you can take a look at these pictures and let me know in the comment section if you like the pictures or not. Let me know if you like the back camera pictures more or maybe the front camera pictures more. Now finally coming to the battery, this is where I think the Vivo U10 really stands out compared to the competition, because with the U10 you not only get a 5000 mAh battery, which is honestly very surprising considering the weight of this phone, the ergonomics on this. I really could not tell without looking at that spec sheet that there is a 5000 mAh beast inside this, but that's not it. But you also get in the box of this phone an 18-watt charger supported by Vivo's dual engine fast charging. That 18-watt charger, I'm someone who's used Vivo's dual engine fast charging for a long time, and I can tell you that Vivo's 18-watt charging is really fast and really good. It doesn't heat up the phone a lot, and the fact that you get that 18-watt fast charger in this price range with the Vivo U10 is absolutely phenomenal, and that does make this phone stand out among others if you want a phone that gives you phenomenal battery performance. And with that, I leave you to it. This was an unboxing and first look at the Vivo U10. You let me know in the comment section what you think about this. What I can tell you is that I really dig that color. The phone does make a good case for itself looking at that price and that spec sheet as well. But you let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see a full review of this also in the comment section below. So that's it from me. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone with the gorgeous electric blue, or as I like to call it, peacock blue Vivo U10, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.